So for the last few years, I've had pretty bad back pain whenever I use my weed eater, and it sucks because it really discourages me from getting out and taking care of the yard, and not to mention it's uncomfortable. And recently I purchased a product. This is not sponsored, but this has really helped, and I think it'll help a lot of you guys too. So I just wanted to show you what it is, and you can see if it may be a good fit for you to make your experience more comfortable. So this here is the particular product. It's basically just a handle that connects to your weed eater. So this is how you can hold it though, and let me step back so you can see it. And it makes it a lot more comfortable rather than using this handle here and kind of having an awkward angle that you have to take. You can use this one here, and I should really just take this one off, but you can use this one here and you can hold this way more comfortably. I mean, look, I'm basically just hanging my arms now, and it's just so much more comfortable. So this has been a game changer for me. There are a couple of different brands. This is just the cheapest one that I could find on Amazon, but I'll link all of the ones. So if you have a landscape company or something, you may want the higher quality one. And I'll show you. I'm not sure if it's focusing, but basically this just has a couple of little bolts that you just tighten down on here, and it's nothing real complex. You just get it in a position where it's most comfortable for you. So the first time around, you'll probably have to fiddle around with it a little bit. I did, just to find that most comfortable spot, and then once you do, you're good to go and you can roll from there. So yeah, if you guys have back pain when you're using a weed eater, highly recommend this. I think it'll be a real game changer for you. It definitely has been for me. So go ahead and check it out, and I hope you find it helpful.